Hello, everyone. I'm James. Welcome back to Easy English for You. Today, I want to talk about something different, something nobody tells you. You tried to learn English, right? You bought books, you downloaded apps, you watched videos. But after 2 weeks, you stopped. Why? People say you're lazy. People say you don't try hard enough. But here's the truth. You're not lazy. Something inside you is broken. Your emotion system is broken. And by the end of this video, I'll show you exactly what broke. I'll show you how to fix it, and I'll show you why this changes everything. So stay with me. Let me ask you something. Do you remember your first day of English study? You felt excited, right? You felt hope. You thought, this time will be different. You opened your book on day 1. You studied for 2 hours. Day 2, 1 hour. Day 3, 30 minutes. Day 7, nothing. What happened? Most people think it's about willpower. They think, I'm just weak. But that's not true. Your brain has an emotion system. This system controls your feelings about learning. When you start something new, your brain releases good feelings. It says, yes, this is new. This is exciting. But here's the problem. Your emotion system expects fast results. It wants to see progress now. Not next month, not next year, now. And English doesn't work that way. You study for 1 week, you still can't understand movies. You still can't speak freely. Your emotion system says, this isn't working. It stops giving you good feelings, and without good feelings, you can't continue. This is not about being lazy. This is about how your brain works. Your emotion system is like a car engine. If the engine breaks, the car stops. It doesn't matter how much you want to drive, the car won't move. Same with learning. If your emotion system breaks, you stop learning. It doesn't matter how much you want to learn English, you just can't do it. Think about a child learning their first language. Do they get tired? Do they quit? No. Why? Because their emotion system works perfectly. Every small word they learn makes them happy. When they say, Mama, everyone smiles. They feel good, so they want to learn more. But as adults, we lost this. We expect too much. We compare ourselves to native speakers. We think, I should be fluent by now. And when we're not, we feel bad. These bad feelings break our emotion system. Now, I know what you're thinking. Okay, James, my emotion system is broken, so what do I do? Here's where it gets interesting, and this is the part you need to hear. You can't fix your emotion system by trying harder. You can't fix it with more willpower. You need to reset it. You need to teach it how to feel good again about small progress. Let me give you a real example. Imagine you're learning to play piano. You don't start with a concert. You start with one note. Just one. You press it, you hear the sound, you feel good. That good feeling makes you press another note, then another. Before you know it, you're playing a simple song. English is the same. But most people start wrong. They try to read news articles on day one. They try to watch movies without subtitles. They try to speak like natives. This is like trying to play a concert on day one. Your emotion system says, "This is too hard," and it shuts down. So here's what you do instead. You start with one word, just one. You learn it, you use it, you feel good about it. Tomorrow, you learn one more. I know this sounds too simple. You might think, one word a day, that's too slow. But here's the secret. When your emotion system feels good, you naturally want more. One word becomes two words. Two words become 5 words. 5 words become 10 sentences. But it all starts with fixing your emotion system first. Let me tell you about my student, Sarah. She tried to learn English for 10 years. She always quit after a few weeks. She thought she was the problem. She said, "I'm just not good at languages." But I told her what I'm telling you now. Your emotion system is broken. Let's fix it. We started small, very small. On day 1, she learned 3 words. That's it. Just 3 words. Happy, sad, tired. She used them in her daily life. When she woke up, she said, "I'm tired." When she ate good food, she said, "I'm happy." It felt silly to her at first, but something changed. She felt good about those 3 words. She owned them. They were hers. On day 2, she wanted to learn more. Not because I told her to, because her emotion system started working again. 3 months later, she could have simple conversations. 6 months later, she was watching shows in English. 1 year later, she got a job that required English. What changed? Not her intelligence, not her willpower, her emotion system. Now, let me show you exactly how to reset yours. This is the part that will change your life, so pay close attention. First, you need to understand something important. Your brain loves patterns. It loves small wins. Every time you have a small win, your brain releases dopamine. Dopamine is the feel-good chemical. It makes you want to continue. But if you aim too high, you don't get wins. No wins means no dopamine. No dopamine means no good feelings. No good feelings means you quit. So the solution is simple. Create small wins every single day. Here's how. Step 1. Pick something tiny. I mean really tiny. Don't say, "I'll study English for 1 hour today." That's too big. Say, "I'll learn 5 words today." Or even better, "I'll learn 1 sentence today." Just 1. Why? Because you can definitely do 1 sentence. There's no way to fail. When you finish, you get a win. That win creates good feelings. Those good feelings fix your emotion system. Step 2. Celebrate every small win. This sounds silly, but it's powerful. When you learn that 1 sentence, stop. Feel it. Say to yourself, "I did it." Smile. Feel proud. Your brain needs to connect learning with good feelings. Right now, your brain connects English with stress, with failure, with frustration. You need to change that connection. Every time you celebrate a small win, you teach your brain, English makes me feel good. Do this enough times and your emotion system resets. Step 3. Never break the chain. This is important. Do something small every single day. Even if it's just one word, even if it's just 2 minutes, every day. Why? Because your emotion system needs consistency. It's like watering a plant. You can't water it once and expect it to grow. You water it a little bit every day. Your emotion system is the same. You give it small wins every day, and it grows stronger. Now I want to talk about something most teachers won't tell you. This is the real secret. Are you ready? The goal is not to learn English. The goal is to fall in love with learning English. Let me say that again. The goal is not to learn English. The goal is to fall in love with learning English. When you love something, you don't need willpower. You don't need motivation. You just do it because it feels good. Think about your hobby. Maybe you like cooking. Maybe you like games. Maybe you like music. Do you need to force yourself to do your hobby? No, you want to do it. Why? Because your emotion system works for that activity. We need to make English the same. We need your emotion system to say, yes, I want to learn English today. And the only way to do that is through small wins every single day. Let me give you one more example. Think about a video game. Why do people play games for hours? Because games are designed to fix your emotion system. Every level you complete, you get a reward. Every enemy you beat, you see progress. Small wins all the time. Your brain loves this. It releases dopamine. You feel good. You want to play more. Now imagine learning English like a game. Every word you learn is 1 point. Every sentence you understand is a level up. Every conversation you have is a boss fight you won. When you see English this way, everything changes. You're not studying anymore. You're playing. You're winning. You're having fun. And when you have fun, your emotion system works. I want you to try something for me. For the next 7 days, do this. Learn just 1 sentence every day. Just 1. It can be simple. It can be short. It doesn't matter. But here's the rule. After you learn it, you must use it. Say it out loud. Write it down. Send it to a friend. Use it somehow. And when you do, celebrate. Say, I did it today. Feel that small win. Do this for 7 days. Don't skip a day. After 7 days, come back and watch this video again. You'll understand something new. You'll feel something different. Because your emotion system will start to heal. Some of you might think this is too slow. You want to be fluent fast. I understand, but let me ask you something. How many times did you try to learn English before? How many times did you quit? Fast doesn't work if you quit. Slow works if you continue. And continuing is only possible when your emotion system works. Think about it. Would you rather study hard for 2 weeks and quit, or study a little every day for 2 years and become fluent? The choice is obvious, but your emotion system makes the choice for you. If it's broken, you'll quit. If it's working, you'll continue. So fix it first. Everything else comes after. I've seen this happen hundreds of times. Students come to me frustrated. They think they're stupid. They think they're lazy. They think English is too hard for them. But it's never about being stupid. It's never about being lazy. It's always about their emotion system. And when we fix it, everything changes. They start to enjoy learning. They start to see progress. They start to believe in themselves. And belief is everything. When you believe you can learn English, you will learn English. But you can't believe if you feel bad all the time. You need good feelings first. Then belief comes. Then success comes. So let me ask you one final question. Are you ready to fix your emotion system? Are you ready to stop blaming yourself? Are you ready to start small and build up? If you are, then your English journey starts today. Not tomorrow, not next week. Today. Learn one sentence today. Feel good about it. Come back tomorrow and do it again. And remember, this video is not just for today. Watch it again when you feel tired. Watch it again when you want to quit. Let these words remind you. You're not lazy. You're not stupid. Your emotion system just needed a reset. And now you know how to do it. Before I go, I want to leave you with this. Learning English is not a race. It's not about being the fastest. It's about being the one who doesn't quit. And you won't quit if you feel good. So make yourself feel good every single day, one small win at a time. Your future self will thank you. Trust me. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep going and keep growing. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. And if you want more support on your English journey, join our membership. Members get a free PDF summary of today's lesson and many other helpful materials. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.